Hello, my name is Mark and this is Production Engineering. In this episode, we are going to talk about the product idea and how I selected it. As mentioned in the welcome video, I will be taking you through the whole process of design and manufacturing. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and post your questions in the comments below. This project presents a good opportunity to showcase various manufacturing processes, so I decided to design something a bit more involved. I wanted to make a product that will cover the following aspects of design and manufacturing: PCB manufacturing and CNC machining. Both of these have unique approaches to design and will show you how to coordinate multiple manufacturers. The design has some standard off-the-shelf hardware, which will allow me to explain a system of sourcing such components. There is also some manual hand assembly, where I can explore the process of documenting for assembly and quality control. I will explore the possibility of manufacturing this product locally in Australia as well as manufacturing in the US. This series is not intended to teach you how to find a valuable niche. It is about designing and manufacturing products. But it goes without saying, make sure you have enough margin to pay for all the costs you will incur during this project. There are plenty of really smart e-commerce experts out there with lots of videos and software to help you get these numbers. There is no need to repeat it all here. So what numbers do we need for our design process? Well, there is manufacturing costs, the product weight and size, including the packaging, and the product category standards and restrictions. For now, I have two design concepts. One is a basic articulating arm design, and the other is a cool architectural concept. The first design is fairly straightforward. The other is a bit more complicated, not from a manufacturing point of view, but from an intellectual property point of view. This cool architectural design uses a concept that has a patent which has expired many years ago, but it appears that there's still an active patent that describes some of the concepts which I intend to use in my design. I have already reached out to the patent owner asking them if the concept idea would encroach on their patent. If I do not get a response, I will need to engage a patent attorney to discuss whether or not the project can go ahead. I think exploring this would be worthwhile since intellectual property law can be tricky, and I think we can learn some valuable lessons here. I have made a list of features that I would like to see in my lamp. Some of them I will keep, some of them I will cut if the costs escalate too much. A non-corded design with a USB charge option, LED illumination with adjustable brightness and color temperature. I will have a cable channel for the USB cable. Very nice packaging since it's going to be a giftable item. Made from sustainable bamboo. Made in a way where replacement parts are available. And it will be very cool looking. What I have described here is more or less a scope of works that you can take to a designer to get your own product made. In the next episode, I will show you how to create your own. Well, this is it for this episode. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please put them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Mark, and this is Production Engineering.